Hey, what's up? Welcome back to True Crime Unraveled. I'm your host, Robert. I've been hearing a lot about uh, Murphy being left outside, and I just thought it was a theory. Well, I actually dug into the Franks hearing denial today, and I found it. In the issue, defendants challenges omissions pertaining to the barking dog referenced in the Payne Exhibit A. It states that at 417, a security camera located at a nearby residence on King Road picked up a distorted audio of what sounded like voices or a whimper, followed by a loud thud. A dog could also be heard barking numerous times, starting at 417, Exhibit D3-B, yeah, at Bates 5161. The only other information in the Payne exhibit pertaining to a dog refers to the fact that Kaylee Gonzalez's dog Murphy was found in her bedroom by the first responders. Defendant contends that that Detective Payne failed to include three allegedly important pieces of information pertaining to the dog. Number one, that the dog heard on the security camera continued to bark for 30 minutes after the suspect left. I've been hearing that a lot too. That the dog started barking after a suspect vehicle one left. I also heard that Murphy was handed off to someone in the home after the suspect left. Number two, that Detective Payne conducted a test to determine that the dog was likely outside while barking. And three, that Murphy was found without any blood on him, even though the bedroom doors were open where the decedents were found. According to defendant, this omitted information would have revealed that whoever was in the house brought the dog back inside after the suspect vehicle left. He further argues that the information is material and exculpatory, which it is, because it undermines the narrative and timeline that supports probable cause, and it does. However, defendant's argument assumes without proof there were no doors left open in the home after the suspect left. This assumption is not only speculative, but contrary to evidence in his proffer that the sliding glass door to the residence, the same door towards which BM reportedly saw the suspect walk, was left open. Thus, if the dog heard barking was in fact Murphy, it could well have come back inside. It could well have come back inside. Though the open door and gone through the open door and gone into Miss Gonzalez's room on his own, where it evidently remained. There are simply no evidence to adopt defendant's speculation that someone brought Murphy back inside after the suspect left the residence. Consequently, defendant has not shown that the failure of law enforcement to so speculate was a material and exculpatory omission that was intentionally or recklessly excluded. A Frank's hearing is not warranted at this time. I just wanted to jump on here and give this quick update with what I found in the Franks here about 20 minutes ago. And I hope that puts some of the speculation to rest about Murphy and out about Murphy barking outside and about Murphy being handed off to someone in the house. Uh, when clearly it states right here that just didn't happen. Murphy was locked up in Kaylee's room, and that's where the LE found Murphy was in her bedroom on her bed. Now, could the law enforcement could they be the ones who opened the doors when they got there? Possibly. I do not know, but I would just want to jump up here, give this quick update, and I hope everyone has a good Friday. Yeah, this is True Crime Unraveled. Peace.